Hello. Hello. I love you.
Hi you guys, I'm Sofia Huerta, professional soccer player for Seattle, and I will be answering some questions and playing with some puppies today. My favorite NWSL player. Let's all just come here. Come on. Cuddles. Cuddles. Hello. You know, I don't know how much longer I'm going to play for, so I think my perspective is a lot different than it used to be. The thing I like most about being a professional soccer player is just, yes, you trust me now. Belly rubs. Oh, see? It's so sweet. No!